1996 Ford SVT Cobra, Mystic paint, 24,000 miles, 5-speed manual transmission. Let's take it for a test drive. 1996 Ford SVT Cobra in the Mystic paint. One of 1,999 96 SVT Cobras in the Mystic paint. If you're not familiar with the Mystic, it's a very special color that came out on these 96 SVT Cobras. They have them in some later Mustangs as well because they were so popular and they are super badass. In certain lights, it is green, and in certain lights, it is purple, and in certain lights, it is blue. As the light hits it, the colors will change, and it was really, really cool when these came out. Obviously, it is a low production, just under 2,000 of these were made. In 96, your SVT Cobras had the 4.6 motor making 305 horse and 300 foot-pounds of torque. This car is very stock front to back. It is the original numbers matching motor. All of the Cobras came with the 5-speed manual transmission. Clutch feels great. Hydroboost discs, power rack and pinion steering. AC's nice and cold. Full factory exhaust system. Drives absolutely excellent, being a 24,464 actual mile car. Carfax is clean, no accidents or damage ever reported. Clean original Marty report. I guess it's not a clean Marty report, it's just a Marty report. So I have the Marty report for it. SVT paperwork and some other miscellaneous SVT docs that go with it. All of your VIN tags are on the car. It is original paint around it. Just an awesome Cobra. Absolutely love these Mystic cars. They're super cool to look at. Obviously, when the light hits it in different directions, it looks like a completely different car. Again, the purple's cool, the green tint's cool, and then again, in certain rare lights, you'll get like a blue like almost hazy blue color, which is just really, really cool. On the interior, code 4J, factory black leather interior. You have your normal little leather wear items or leather wear spots on the driver's seat from getting in and out. These cars are really notorious for that, but overall the interior is really clean. Factory Cobra style mats, carpet's in great shape, dash looks good, headliner and visors, all of that stuff is in excellent condition. Factory Ford stereo with the cassette and the CD player. The stereo comes on, goes off. To be honest, I don't know if the CD player works because I don't have any CDs. Same thing with the cassette, but the stereo itself does function. Again, inside is really clean. You just have a little bit of wear on the leather from getting in and out, from sitting in the seats. You're just going to get that. It's inevitable. The only thing I have disclaimer-wise on this particular car is going to be the power driver seat. It will move forward and it will move back. It's just a little bit slow. If you're sitting here and the car is not on, you need to like help it. But while we're sitting here, we can slide forward and it needs a little bit of an assistance. And if you push back, it will go all the way back as well. Make sure y'all check out that additional informations tab on the website, pcclassiccars.com. It will have an outline of the Does It Work section, which will say everything works. And it will have the little note that the driver's seat needs a little bit of an assistance going forward and back. All right, we are warmed up good, so we'll go ahead and get in the throttle some. Check out that 305 horse and 300 foot-pounds of torque that these 4.6s came with. Plenty of power to do whatever you want to do. I always like a short throw shifter. This is the factory shifter. Being how stock this car is, I see why no one has really put a shifter in it. That would be something that I would personally do and just keep the original shifter. You do not have to. These factory shifters work great. It's just they're really long throws to get in and out of each gear. But that performance is great. On the underneath, super clean, very original, very nice on the bottom. Zero rust issues, no real corrosion issues of any kind. A very solid and a very nice Mystic Cobra on the bottom. Again, on the exterior, it is code LF Mystic paint. It is original paint. You do again have all your VIN tags all the way around the car. You do have some little stone chips, little imperfections, couple little like reaction spots on the top of the hood. Same thing with the roof. It is original paint, and matching Mystic paint is damn near impossible. But overall, for being original, it represents very nice. Couple little dings. There's one like on the rear quarter, right on like the body line there. A good PDR guy might be able to get it out. You have to look really hard to see it. Miscellaneous, again, imperfections around the car. It is original from 96, so you are going to get stuff. Again, it's 24,000 miles. So just expect some smaller things, but still represents very nice. Factory 17-inch Cobra wheels. The tires have been replaced. They are a 2010 date code. So tires are getting a little bit older, but no dry rot, no cracking. They roll well, no hard spots. So tires are good. At some point, you might want to put new ones on there just, again, because of the date code, but they do perform really well. Suspension is going to be all factory SVT Cobra suspension. Same thing with the steering and the brakes. All of that stuff performs excellent. No pulling of left or right. It stops true. You hit the brakes a little bit harder here. It stops true. No issues coming back through the brake pedal at all. Odometer's rolling like it should. Trip meter's rolling. Funny enough, I actually sold this car to a local Texas guy. He actually has bought a handful of vehicles from me. He's been a really good customer. He ended up seeing another Fox body Mustang pop up that he had to have. So I had no problem bringing this one back in on trade. I do that with a lot of my customers. Buy, sell, trade all the time. So getting a low mileage Mystic car back in on trade is never something I'm going to complain about. This is an awesome car front to back. Drives like a brand new one. The AC is super cold. I got it on the low setting. I'm about to turn it off because I'm freezing right now. Power windows, power locks, all that stuff works. You have your power mirrors as well. Power driver seat. Again, we did talk about needing a little bit of help going forward and back with the power seat. And then the other thing, again, is when those power seats do have the same issues of going forward and back, usually the up and down has the same issue. So this one could use a little bit of work on the power seat. Again, it will move forward and back. You just have to help it a little bit. It's just not going up and down either. Glass is great. Windshield has no issues. Side windows roll up and down properly. You do have your rear defrost back glass, so no problems with the glass at all that I can see. Smooth, easy shifts, good power band. That clutch feels great. A little heavier braking here to shut it down. As you can see, no shimmies through the steering wheel. No issues coming back through the brake pedal. No pulling left or right. Downshift's great. Inside the trunk, it's all OE back there. No problems of any kind. Doesn't look like anything's even really ever been back there. When you pop the hood, again, you have your VIN tags on the inner fender. Same thing with the bottom of the hood. It's all very clean, all OE spec. It is the original numbers matching 4.6 for this SVT Cobra. Do check all that stuff here at the dealership. Fluids are all good. Charging system's good. Radiator's doing its job. No overheating issues. All of your gauges are functioning. Fuel, temperature, tach, speedo, voltage, oil pressure, all that stuff is good to go. You do have your factory digital clock up on the dash there, which is functioning. Really, outside of some small imperfections in the paint, which you are going to get, it's a no-nonsense car. And then again, the power function of the driver's seat over here, which is an easy fix. Factory exhaust, so it's not terribly loud. I love these with Flowmasters, but I also, again, get why this one is bone stock, because it is very stock and original front to back, inside and out. Sitting here waiting on traffic. I need one of those beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, beep, boop, little clocks to count me down. All right, here we go. No complaints from me when it comes to this car, driving it. Awesome Cobra. As always, I'm Mike. This is a 1996 Ford SVT Cobra in Mystic paint, 24,470 miles, 5-speed manual transmission, clean Carfax, great paperwork, really awesome car front to back, inside and out. From myself and everybody else here at PC Classic Cars, we appreciate y'all stopping in to watch another one of our test drive videos. Make sure you check out that additional informations tab on the website pcclassiccars.com. Check out the content across all of the social platforms, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.